If you look at the need for automation within the global logistics and freight sector, there's been literally billions of dollars invested into solving this very problem. One thing that we looked at when we started was, do we want to be a software business and do it ourselves? Or is there actually something out there that can actually enable us to do that already?
We were looking at the way the industry was operating and the way I had learnt with manila folders and cover sheets. We were looking at the way things were done and think, surely there's got to be a better way. We started to look at a lot of the latest technologies that were being pioneered around the world, around paperless task and workflow automation, programming in triggers and exceptions and artificial intelligence. And we thought, okay, where is this being applied in the freight and logistics space? And led us to CargoWise.
Our real core objective with the business has always been to free up our people to provide a more tailored, customized solution to our customers, to get involved as early as possible. And that's really what we saw with CargoWise in terms of the benefits, that it would free up our people's time to actually spend more time engaging with those supply chains, find the efficiencies, and then provide that to our customers.
CargoWise and any sort of visibility and real-time visibility that a client can have in this particular industry at the moment, given that it is quite volatile. It just allows customers to be able to plan better for their supply chain and be able to make reactive decisions based on the information that we provide to them in real time.
CargoWise has a live AIS data from all the vessels around the globe, so customers can literally go on, click and see GPS where their shipment is around the world. We've kind of given our customers the window to all the resources we have at our disposal, with all the documents available at the click of the button. Our invoices are available there, and a complete dashboard of not only their shipments, but their purchase orders and when the factories are telling them the cargo is going to be ready.
I think as well, our ability to be able to offer clients a range of options with regards to the shipments that they've got coming up, but also be able to chop and change between different options to allow their supply chain to keep moving and keep sort of ticking over. They wouldn't see that in the background, but that's all stuff that we're offering behind the scenes that maybe a different freight forwarder wouldn't be able to offer them.
Having this system built in as much automation as you can, you'll be able to focus more, and you are more confident that you're not going to miss things because everything is clearly listed in the system, and you know what's been done and what time it's logged. And the system also reminds you as well. This paved dashboard, you can see what's been actioned and what's there in terms of the urgency as well.
Pave is great because you know exactly what you need to do next. Having everything in one platform, you can just follow the tasks. When you look at it, you think it's a lot of details, but actually these details in the end, they help you a lot, filtering and making your work a lot more efficient.
Pave was definitely a different way of thinking of how we look at our day-to-day workflow, I guess you can say. You can see what you're doing on an individual level, I think, if you're an operations person or a customer operations person, but then even if you're a supervisor or a team leader, you can understand what's going across the breadth of the team and how overworked some people might be, and if we can actually then allocate different jobs accordingly if we ever get overrun. It helps us to identify the operational bottlenecks, if you like, within our business. There wasn't really a way of doing that without Pave, so Pave's been fantastic for us in helping us implement that.
CargoWise allows us to be agile and dynamic. It's not that we're navigating anything differently, but it allows us to update our customers sooner, get on the phone and say, hey, this has happened, these are now our options. It's a proactive approach. I've been using CargoWise throughout my whole career, but I was always told, don't click this button, it'll cost money, or we don't use that section, that module, and my curiosity got the better of me. One of our consulting partners said most freight forwarders using CargoWise like driving a Ferrari in first gear. We really wanted to get the most out of it, and that was pivotal in our success as a company and our growth.